Wow, that is a floral fantasy. Look at that. Oh, and these are great flowers. Some of these flowers have glitter on them too. Wow. It's a big bra too. Okay. This is a beautiful, it's based on a pink, like a salmon color bra. And it's a, let's see what size this is. This is a 36D, brand new. And it's got flowers all over. Look at that. And most of the flowers have glitter on the inside. Oh, look at this one, has a little ladybug on the flower. That's adorable. Oh, that's very, very nice. This one has a little, look at this, a little tiny bead with the breast cancer awareness ribbon on that flower. Isn't that neat? Very, very, oh, and here's another one. Here's another petal with a breast cancer awareness ribbon on it. That's just, and here's another one here. She's scattered these all over the bra. That is so cute. A little breast cancer awareness pink ribbon. Very neat. Very neat. Thank you, Hyde Park, for our floral fantasy. Oh my.